Peace, 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 love, oneness, and divine vitality on all energy grids. So, ancestors of the all, of supreme high frequency lights and divine ethers, coming through for divine clarity, divine discernment, divine healing, divinity over the collective, over the soul tribe family, over the chosen ones that are divinely doing the work with purity, allowing it to be easily and effortlessly at all times. Ashe. We want to say making it easily and effortlessly at all times because whoo baby. No, not chosen ones. We know it ain't been easy. But as we do the work and heal, we see how easy it becomes. Like nothing should be hard. Everything is love. So everything carries its own vibrations, frequencies, and energy. So if you get triggered by a beautiful soul, allow it to be of love. Ooh, why did I just get triggered by how she said that or how he said that? Oh, okay. The ego responded. So the ego is what got triggered. And why is my ego triggered? Like when we start asking these questions, like gotta ask. And that's the divine way of doing it. Truly researching the mind, thinking outside of the box we was taught to live in. So it's a divine honor to talk about this one and the alignment to Soul Tribe family and the clarity to talk about these things. So when we're talking about these groups and occults, and there's ones with higher rank. See, that's the ones that do the spell work, want to do the work, burn a couple candles, throw some herbs together, in their little books, whatever. Manipulative tactics that's in their books with certain components. Now, we talking about the ones like Nikola Tesla and Elon Musk, this 1% that walks around with gadgets, or else there wouldn't be no time machine. The realm with me, if you shall. Ashe ancestors come through and keeping the energies high as we talk about this. So, these energy weapons. Now we'll go back a little bit with Sankofa. When we're talking about ancestral staffs and sectors, these divine instruments, you don't see them because most reptilians have them in their possession at this moment, though they hold no energy. I'm looking, it's like a couple of them still, and because only, baby, hear me truly when I say this as the ancestors come through. The only reason certain crystals and gems on, Queen Elizabeth on all their crowns and staffs and artifacts, they only hold specific energy because the beautiful souls that have came back with that same bloodline and that same DNA, it's still lying dormant within the vessel. Though, as beautiful souls activate, call their energy back, and have that energy divinely activated in their vessels, it dismantles the energy in those crystals and in those staffs. As you activate that DNA, that tells you they can have it. I'm going to create something just phenomenal. I shaded that. I shaded that. So with that being said, how do y'all think Queen Elizabeth fell? Why do y'all think she's deceased now? It is not a game. Because the real bloodline that the reptilians took over is no longer dormant. The beautiful souls that held the crown in those lands is fully activated. With it being fully activated, it dismantled that matrix. It dismantled that bloodline that wanted to dismantle the first of first bloodlines that held that crown. So when we understand that about everything is getting back into divine order, we'll understand everything when we look in that mirror. Mm, 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 mm. So, yes, we are here dismantling the matrix as we bear these fruit. So, with that being said, we're going to go to the energy weapons. Like I said, this goes back to Nikola Tesla and Elon Musk and Benjamin Franklin. You know what I'm saying? Like the microwaves and the radioactive frequencies. Asha ancestors come through. Asha the clarity. And they said some of that's where you get, our people sold, our people out. It's much deeper than that when we're talking about business and expanding and prosperity for your bloodline. So, yes, there was Moors present. There was high vibrational Moors present, and there was low vibrational Moors present. Divine grace for whistleblowers. So, as they sit at this table, talk about the time traveling machine. And understand that this time traveling machine can manipulate energy and take you back on a specific timeline. So they evolved it with the manipulative sector. And to manipulate sectors, inducing fear, harnessing and harvesting energy, it's pretty much creating more radioactive buttons to feature. And with this time travel machine, how to go back on certain timelines or to jump forward and play with energy. I'm getting downloads of quite a few sizes. Some look like an old school telephone, and some is just as small as a toothbrush. Hit the button, just like on Men in Black, that little thing they push open and hit the button for you to forget stuff. Just that small. And that's deep too when we're talking about these dragon bots and drone. Like they created the drone, then they got flies or dragonflies or mockingbirds. They're not real mockingbirds, they're drones. These is all experiments to spy on chosen ones. How do you think they get their creations? And why divine sources use our discernment and don't give out your creations until it's checkmate? Truly understanding that and listening to source as you create and evolve in your crafts. I definitely want to get on here and talk about these energy weapons And what I'm seeing in the downloads, the visions I'm getting as I'm talking about it, because they've been manipulating energy for too long. And as we stand in our power, call all our power back that no longer lies dormant. Oh, it's going to irritate a lot of beautiful souls. Being aware of who it irritates, or being aware, facial expressions, projected illusions, being aware, making sure you remove yourself, cut cords, set boundaries before anything has the audacity to possess this beautiful soul's vessel. This, you help beautiful souls move out the way before they even get possessed, because you already see that they vibrate at a low vibrational state where they're not able to understand the high frequency that you're reciprocating. Mm, mm. So yes, that's another message. That's for somebody too as well. Yeah, it's time to move around, baby. Move around before, like, hey, and that's, like I said, that's helping them. You ascending, you vibing so high. It be the little small thing. Ooh, when you stop eating meat, oh, I got to have my pork. You know, our OGs, our elders, you know, the ones that, you know, stuck in their ways. So, and these is ones too that are very dangerous. Hear me now carefully. That's very dangerous to be around as you ascending and wondering why you getting lightheaded or your head swirling and you getting butterflies. Just because they want to pull you back down to that low frequency. Got you lightheaded, your head swirling, about to be cross-eyed because it's just so low. It's too low from where you at. Then when you get down there, oh, my throat is a little itchy. Do you wonder why you didn't caught a cold? Listen to me carefully. This for somebody specifically, Soul Tribe family. This is why it is of grave importance for us not to go back unless you're vibrating at the frequencies of Sankofa. It's going to have you sick, though we chosen. Source is showing us this for a reason, so you ain't going to be sick long. Maybe a day, if 24 hours, all depending on at the frequency you're transmuting and alchemizing at. But it was of grave importance that I talked about this, guys, so beautiful souls can understand why, you know, at times your hermit mode plays grave importance. At times getting out into nature, sun gazing, moon gazing, star gazing, just grounding in general plays grave importance. And listening to spirit, all of this, healing, evolving, ascending. That being said, divine honors. Ashe, Soul Tribe family. Ashe, melanated beings. Ashe, melanated gods and goddesses, kings, queens, hurus, netarus. Atsi, Ashuk, Ashe, Namaste. Always oneness.